Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these mirrors. So these are replacement mirrors for my first generation Toyota Tacoma. Here we go. They shipped in the original box. Let's open it up. It's interesting, a little damaged here. Hopefully no damage on the product, but let's get into it. Oh, good amount of tape here. Just get my trusty I always hate it when they ship it in the OEM box because it gets damaged. Would have been nice if it was double box, but let's see. Hopefully no damage. I'll drop a link in the video description below where I got these side mirrors from. And I ordered these from this manufacturer in Amazon because it's hard to get OEM side mirrors from Toyota. They were out of stock for the mirrors I'm looking for. Pretty hard to open, to be honest. Jeez. All right. Okay. Cool. Ah, it's actually got a nice protective sleeve, it looks like. So it's a pair of mirrors, left and right. Let's check it out. Check out the quality. Wow. Oh, don't want to show myself. Very cool, very cool. Looks pretty legit. Okay. Yeah. My old mirrors are pretty damaged, so we'll install these, see how they do. Cool. I'll drop a link in the video description of where you can order these from. Actually, let me open up the... I don't think we really need to see the other one. For the sake of not being lazy. Those of you watching this, you're welcome. For the 10 people who watch my unboxing videos around the world, this is for you. Here we go. Man, so much tape. All right. Boom. Wow. So here's where it's damaged. So I hope everything is cool here. Looks cool, I think. I'll make sure it's cool when I install it. And here's the other side's mirror. Wow. Cool. I'm excited to install these on my first gen 2000 Toyota Tacoma. I will let you know how this goes, and let me know if you have these in the comment section below, what you think of these mirrors. And again, drop a link in the video description, and I'll catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.